I've got 4 thick slices of celeriac here that I've drizzled with olive oil and roasted for about an hour, and they're really nice and tender and beautifully coloured. I'm just going to finish them off with a few capers. Just scatter them over the surface. The capers have got that lovely punchy flavour that's going to work really well with the celeriac. I'm going to put them back into the oven until they get really nice and crispy. And while they're finishing off, I'm going to quickly make a winter pesto to serve with it. I've got some really great flavours here. I'm using sage. Just cut off and discard those stalks and then roughly chop the sage. Now, you don't usually find sage in pesto, but it's going to work really well in this dish. If you want to see the full recipe, just click on the link. I'm just using a small mini chopper here. To that, I'm going to add some kale. I've taken out the stalks. Just pop that in. I'm going to add the traditional pine nuts. Just scatter a few of those in. I've got garlic clove. And I've got some grated Parmesan. If you want a vegan version, just use an alternative to that. And now whiz that together until it forms quite a coarse paste. Now with the motor going, I'm going to slowly start adding olive oil until you get a really nice creamy consistency. Now our celeriac is beautifully tender, and you can see that the capers have gone really lovely and crisp, so we're ready to serve. I'm going to pop mine together onto a platter and drizzle over that pesto. And for more recipe ideas, don't forget to subscribe.